Hey, what's up? It's Knolly Williams. I love you. Hey, I just wanted to show you real quick because people ask us all the time about our eating, and we eat kind of, I say crazy, but we eat a little bit maybe extreme, but not as extreme as others. Let me show you just a typical day.
No, well, today he tells me, hey, you have a storybook refrigerator.
Yeah.
I'm like, what's a storybook refrigerator?
I call it a storybook refrigerator. So if you just, and this is just on any given day, how our refrigerator looks. So on the top shelf, we've got a bunch of smoothie boosters. Like here's hemp seed, chia seed, there's some other superfoods and stuff back there. This right here is, I mean, there's stuff everywhere. I'm not gonna show you everything, but I just real quick, this right here is watermelon juice.
Blueberries, some superfood, all kinds of different stuff.
And down here we've got more fruit, pineapple, mango, bananas, apples. Down here we've got watermelon, of course, and then these are really good. These are like some paleo bars that are just all organic stuff. Almonds, honey, coconut, no sugar, just all organic stuff. These two things right here are sprouts. And then,
Open those sprouts and show them the
let me see. These are actually sprouts that Josie made.
alfalfa sprouts.
Delicious.
Yum, 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 yum.
So good,
We'll
fresh.
have some tonight with some salad.
And then down here,
Another one there.
yeah, down here we've got a bunch of celery for our juicing, and then in here we've got Brussels sprouts, and this is asparagus. So I mean, this is just the way we kind of keep our refrigerator. It wasn't always this way. You know, we've been cleansing, we've been detoxing for on and off for 20 years. We've been, you know, on that. I'm actually on day 2 of all juice, and I'll do 3 days. Typically, I try to do 3 days every month of just all juice. And Josie's doing a 9-day liver detox. So
we've been detoxing for almost 20 years. Over 20 years, but we've been now detoxing with fruits, high fruit, which means we eat fruit most every day, all day, up until like 4 o'clock in the evening.
yeah,
With fruits.
yep. And so anyway, just want to encourage you to eat more raw, eat more fruit, eat more organic. You don't have to do it all the time. I mean, it doesn't have to be, you know, all the time, but you can kind of gradually get into a, you know, more healthy lifestyle over time. God bless. Love you.
And I love you too, and I want to just show you all a beautiful backyard where we spend so much of our time. So just to encourage you, get outdoors, spend time outdoors, get grounded, just stand on the grass, just enjoy the outdoors. It is just so beautiful out here. All right, guys, I haven't met some of you, but God bless you. Keep on keeping on. Eat more fruit.